Hi, it's Lynn Naroussis with the Focus on Nova team with Century 21 Redwood Realty here with your top 3 takeaway. Today we are talking about prepping for an open house or showings on your home. If you are a seller, there are 3 big things that you want to take into account right before you're about to have an open house or if you're about to have a showing on your house. Now, this is assuming you have already done all the work to prep your house to go on the market. So we're talking about day of open house, day of a showing. First things first, clean your house and your yard. Make sure it is ready to go, that your lawn is mowed, your leaves are raked, your home has been cleaned, wiped down. Biggest thing with this though is this is not an opportunity where you can quickly shove stuff into a closet or shove stuff into a drawer, because when people are coming in for an open house and a showing, they're opening those doors and drawers to see what they're like. So don't just shove stuff somewhere, actually have it put away completely. Second thing is to make sure you leave all your lights on. Your home is going to show its best when it's fully lit up, it's bright, it feels more open. So leave your lights on, and any brochures or any type of marketing material that your realtor has for your home, make sure that that's out and ready. So when people come in, they see it right away, they can take it. You can even maybe put it in the kitchen, but make sure it's out and displayed and available to those who are coming through your home. And lastly, and probably one of the most important things, if you have an open house or a showing on your home, leave your house. Leave prior to the appointment of the potential buyer getting there, and do not come back early. The last thing you want to do is be a hindrance on people who are looking at your house. It is not comfortable whatsoever to be a buyer walking through a home when that homeowner is there. So make sure you leave early so you're not there when they get there. Stay out a little bit longer so you don't come back when they're still there. That's your top 3 takeaway for today. My name is Lynn Naroussis with the Focus on Nova team. Any questions you have when it comes to buying or selling a home, by all means, please get in touch.